My bad, I accidentally pressed that, y'all. Alright. Yeah. Okay. Oh yeah, I forgot to get in my stick. Y'all saying no full pass or full pass? Look out. I got if any of my people in the membership want to bet, I got about $10. I bet about 10 or 20. No full pass. I think he gonna get out of it. Who want to bet? Uh-oh, Kelsey boy say he gonna break loose at the 60 foot. Okay, I got it. Who want to bet? Any of my members want to bet? I see all y'all talking full pass. Who want to bet $10? Ooh, that juice hitting, boy. Jet Lucky want to bet 10, y'all. I ain't gonna bet you, Jet Lucky. I'ma bet chorizo. I'ma bet chorizo. Bet 10 chorizo. That's a bet. It's locked in. I ain't getting off of it. Uh-oh, he didn't put the lock up. It's locked in, y'all. Me and chorizo got a lock. Look, Toluco talking about blew it up already. Boy, y'all some motherfuckers in here. Jet Lucky. Alright, Jet Lucky, bet 10. Me and you locked. Me and Jet Lucky locked too, y'all. I got Jet Lucky and oh, somebody done did a burnout all the way down there. Okay. Yeah. I'm finna get paid. I'm finna pop chorizo and Jet in the ass. Boy, this drink going. Look, I'm already getting that mug down there. I'm ready. Oh, okay. Hey, Jet Lucky. Oh, which one not a member? Chorizo a member. He probably ain't did that, but he done did some more. Okay, hey, Jet Lucky, you ain't got no star, so we ain't got no bet. The star take your bet off. Yeah, I gotta lead by example. You gotta be a member in order to bet on the Lookout Racing lot. So no bet with Jet, and it's a bet with chorizo. I'm finna pop chorizo in there. Go on, become a member, Jet, man, so they can quit getting on you, man. It costs $5, $4.99. I'm only winning $2 of it. Oh, that's 10 out your ass, chorizo. That's 10 out your ass, chorizo. See, bam, there you go, Jet Lucky. I just saved you 10. Use 5 of that. Come on and be a member, and then we can bet 10 more. He finna try to do it one more time. Hey, chorizo, you wanna bet it back? Nah, chorizo a member. Chorizo a member. Hey, chorizo, you wanna bet it back? I just saved you, Jet. You might as well go and use that to become a member, man. Okay, oh, he done locked it back in, y'all. I'm finna get 20 up out his ass. Jet Lucky, hurry up and become a member so I can get you too, man. Hurry up, it don't take that long for you. Where you $5 at, man? We betting it back, chorizo. Oh yeah, I didn't won on that. Uh-oh, he purging it down. You know he trying. You know, uh-oh, Kevin Butler just became a member. You want to bet, Kevin? Kevin Butler, you want to bet? He done did a glue burnout again. Kevin, you want to bet 10? See, Kevin figured it out. Somebody put the link for Jet Lucky to become a member. We don't need to hear no excuses. Oh, Kevin said he don't want none of this. All right, that's good for you. $20. I done got it. Power Stroke, y'all done pitched Power. I did. Power Stroke Syndicate, I know Chorizo personally, so it's easy for me. See, the reason that we doing the membership thing is because we don't know these people out here that's just betting. And see, a lot of the times when you bet and then they don't pay you, then you're back on live crying, oh man, he ain't pay me my money, man, I bet it 50, he fucking me up. I'm just trying to help y'all avoid that. I ain't worried about Chorizo. I know where he working. I go to his goddamn job. Jet Lucky, I don't know where he work at, so hell, that was different. But yeah, nah. Yeah, that juice is working. He got that juice too potent on that motherfucker. Yeah, I personally know him Power Stroke. Jet Lucky too. Jet Lucky too, but I wanted him to become a member because I don't know where he work at. Okay, Joseph, new member. Welcome, Joe.